Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession, because I send out a lot of cards. You can find more information about these either on my YouTube channel or on my blog, which is linked in the description box below. So let's get started. First, we have this card for the Inky Paws Challenge by Newton's Nook, and this the theme is stripes, so I did use that stripes. And the stamp set is Never Enough Dogs, Find Your Happy Place. And there's the inside. I love how she's just like hiding, like yes. Next up, I had the collab with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, our final farewell to summer. And I had these 3 mermaid cards where I used 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch. They just turned out so adorable. It's the Guppies by Sweet November, A Wish, a Splash, a Birthday Bash. And that's what's on the inside of all of them. But they are just the cutest mermaids. I think Sweet November Stamps has the cutest mermaids. Next up, we had this one from Krista Smith, called Soda Pop. I used a Mojo Monday sketch for that. Choose Happy and some fun papers. And the dies are from Newton's Nook. I did put some glossy accents on her glasses and the glass. I just think it turned out so super cute. And then I ended the week with this sparkly one using another Mojo Monday sketch. And a stamp from the Greeting Farm, Cheeky Howdy 2. Some papers from my stash, just says Howdy. Do have some wood stars on there, and then some This Calls for Confetti. And I did add stickles to her hat and her boots. I just think it turned out so fun. It made me smile, and there's the inside. Yeah, definitely. I keep like turning because it's so sparkly and just so pretty. Love it so much. So there are my creations from the week. Again, you can find more information about them either on my blog or my YouTube channel has some of them up there, or Instagram, I guess. All my links are in the description box below. And until my next video, go do something for yourself. Go get crafty. Bye.